Alright, today we've got a Android radio that we're going to unbox. It's at Panlelo. Let me see if I can... Panlelo PA012s. It's got physical buttons. So let's just go ahead and open this thing up. Set the camera down. Alright, box is kind of plain. Panlelo car stereo player. Alright, have the bezel here on top. I'm going to hold this camera. Alright, we've got a remote, bezel, the stereo, and a couple of angle brackets. Let's go physical buttons, knob. Alright, I just unwrapped it. This is what it looks like. And we've got a bag of, it's got a GPS sensor in there, radio harness, and a Wi-Fi antenna, a couple of mounting screws. Let's look at the back here. Alright, we've got the GPS here, Wi-Fi antenna goes there, has two USB ports, that's where the radio harness goes. And we've got several video inputs, possible, oh yep, we've got some outputs as well, a subwoofer output. Alright, let's see what we have on the top here. A little wiring diagram. Alright, so next we'll get this thing installed. Alright, today I've got a Panlelo Android radio that I've installed in a 2011 Ford Fusion. This is my wife's car. This radio's got the physical buttons, knob, turn it up and down. You push it in for mute. And it's got the menu button, band for the radio, navigation button. Let's see, so navigation, I've got the Waze app here installed. There it is. Radio. You just slide this to change it. You got presets. And then I've got the steering wheel control set up too, so they work. Switch between like that.
Celebrate your presence with us.
Now, this is actually a different launcher. It's Car Launcher Pro. This is the launcher I actually prefer to use on these Android radios. I like it's got different themes you can use it. I like this theme here. It's got the sliding icons at the bottom. You can add more if you want. And Pandora, phone. You can make phone calls. It's got a microphone right here on the corner. And contacts. You can view your phone contacts. History, your phone history, self-explanatory. Now this right here is actually how the launcher looks from the factory. If you want to go to all apps, you can go here. But I actually prefer the car launcher. It's got the audio player, speed. Okay, so let's go into some of these settings. Let's see, car setting. Let's start at the top. Got audio settings. You can turn the equalizer on and off, switch between different ones. You can customize it if you want. Audio stage. This allows you to fade front to rear. Common. This allows you to disable the handbrake or enable if you want to enable it. Headlight turns the lights on and off. Beep. This is for the backup camera. I'll show you the backup camera really quickly. There you go. It's getting a little dark out. It's a little after 9 right now. But it actually works pretty well even when it's dark out. And then this is your navigation software. Navigation mixing. This allows you to have sound in the background, like say Pandora's playing. If you have it off, then only navigation will work. Audio and stuff won't. And then this is where you change what app you want to use. You could actually change the navigation button to Pandora or Spotify or whatever if you don't use navigation too frequently. Backlight setting. It's just the brightness. It's all the way up right now. Radio. Now if you factory restore this, which I've done a couple times, it'll default to Europe. And so you come in here and change it to USA. I don't know what this does. Steering wheel learning. You click begin learn, push the key on the steering wheel, and then whatever key you want it to do, and then just repeat that. It's really easy to set up. This changes the colors over here on the side. Do rainbow or red. I like the teal, it matches the Fusion lighting. And whitelist setting. I do not know what whitelist setting does, but you can add apps to this whitelist. And I don't know what that does. But anyways, Here's your factory settings if you need to reset the device, right here. And then the password is 1234. Alright, that's basically it.